appearing for the defendant's applicant, my lord, and appearing with me is my learned colleague, Y. Ogunpiton. Miss.
And your appearance is for
the defendant's applicant, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, for the conduct of the proceeding on behalf of the claimant, may I seek a leave to allow my junior to take charge of the proceedings for today. Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Thank you very much, my lord. My lord, the matter was adjourned today for the hearing of our motions. And subject to the convenience of this honorable court, we are ready to move those motions, my lord. My lord, we have a motion for interlocutory injunction. When the motion is dated 13th day of January 2022 and filed on the same date, my lord.
My noble lord, this proceeding is not so audible. I barely could hear the learned counsel for the claimant.
So sorry. Let's increase our volume, please. She just hears the motion on notice. When the interlocutory injunction that she filed on the 13th of January.
My noble lord, I think that the learned counsel for the claimant owes a duty to inform my lord of the proper proceedings. My lord will last appear before my lord on the 30th of March, 2022.
Yes.
When the defendant informed my lord of a pending notice of preliminary objection.
Yes.
Filed by the defendant dated 16 February 2022.
Hold on.
Oh.
See what he's telling you.
Yes.
My noble lord, we were to take that objection on the 30th of March 2022, but the claimant informed my lord that there was some error in the processes they filed by way of counter affidavits.
Yes.
And they sought for time to correct it in order to refile.
Yes.
My lord, I was informed by our Abuja office only yesterday, being 24th of May, that the claimant filed an application for extension of time to file the said counter affidavit,
Yeah.
which was only served on us in Abuja office yesterday from the 30th of March when last we appeared before my lord.
My lord.
So I was expecting the claimant to bring this development to the attention of my lord, because that was the reason why we adjourned on the last date.
I've seen the counter affidavits.
It's been on for 2 hours waiting for this nonsense.
My lord.
One moment, counsel. Let me do this. Let's look at the please, I'm looking for your counter affidavit to the motion for an injunction.
My lord?
I'm looking for your counter affidavit.
Yes, we indeed filed a counter affidavit.
On the 16th of, I found it, it's okay.
On
On the
the motion
16th
for
of
injunction,
February.
we filed it on the 16th of February.
Thank you. All right.
My lord.
Yes, counsel.
As we rightly informed the court earlier that today the matter is slated for hearing of motions, we have pending motions before this honorable court.
No.
We have the motion. I just want to quickly identify our processes so that we could make progress. We have the motion for interlocutory injunction, which was filed on the 13th of January, which is ripe for hearing today. The defendant also filed a motion for preliminary objection, which is not ripe for hearing today.
Because you filed late, no? Because you filed your counter affidavit late in the day.
Not so, my lord.
When you started with the preliminary objection, replying yesterday, you filed on the 20th.
We served them in February, my lord. What we served on them yesterday was our further affidavit to our motion for interlocutory.
No. Counsel, I have before me two processes. I have your motion for interlocutory, your injunction, and I have the preliminary objection. Now, to the preliminary objection, I found your counter affidavit, and I found the reply, which you filed on the 20th.
Yes, my lord.
The counter affidavit was served on you in February.
Yes, my lord.
So your counter is not only out of time, but I see no proof of any penalty of payment here. Your photo when I rise. Mr. Hunter? Sorry, see? Make sure that they paid the penalty for this process. So, ordinarily speaking, I'd have taken both the preliminary objection and your motion for interview to the same day.
Oh, very well, my lord.
But as you see it now, so can you hear me?
My lord, I can hear my lord, sir. My lord.
Ordinarily, I've taken both the preliminary objection and the motion for injunction. I'll take the preliminary objection first, ordinarily, because it's an issue of jurisdiction. But as it is now, you're still within time to file your reply.
That was because the claimants didn't file their counter affidavit within time.
Yes. Is there much to regularize?
We have an earlier counter affidavit which was before this honorable court and was properly filed. But pursuant to my lord's direction from our application for leave, because of the mix-up in our processes, we directed that we will file our processes and serve on them. So the earlier counter affidavit is still was within time and is still very proper before this honorable court.
Well, we have to withdraw that.
And we have an application to withdraw that counter affidavit to the appeal, my lord.
Sorry?
We have an application to withdraw the default counter affidavit, which my lord ordered that we go and put our house in order.
I agree, but you see, as it is now, the best is to substitute your other candidate with this one. The best you can do is substitute. Is that what you want to do?
No, not at all, my lord. Not at all, my lord.
Why don't we do the first one?
We want to withdraw the previous counter affidavit and
rely on this one.
Yes.
Now this one you want to rely on now. It just came in on the 20th. The defendants are within time to file a reply on point of law.
As
Very
my
well
lord,
hear it now.
Very well, my lord.
That's a. Hope you're following.
yes, my lord, that my lord is right. That is the correct position, my lord.
In which case, I have to give you a date.
Yes, my noble lord.
And secondly, they need to file a motion to regularize it. I can't ask my lord.
Problem?
My lord, please, we just wanted the direction from you all. Should we withdraw this the former counter affidavit? We should bring a motion to regularize it.
No, you already filed your counter affidavit. You can withdraw this one already.
Very well, my lord. So, my lord,
Any objection, Mr. Chief Edeboluwa? Any objection?
But if she intends to withdraw the previous counter affidavit already, I have no objection to that withdrawal.
All right.
Thank you.
This is the one.
My lord, so we also seek to withdraw our former affidavit in support of our interlocutory injunction. There was also got affected by the mix-up and rely on the recent one that we just filed on the 20th of. Sorry.
If you want to time. Now, to your what's your injunction? You have an affidavit, right?
Yes, my lord.
You want to withdraw that one?
No, not the further to the counter, the further to the Leonard Silks counter.
When you file that one?
The one we seek to withdraw was filed on the 22nd of February, my lord.
Which one will you be relying on then?
We'll be relying on the one that was filed on the 20th of May, my lord, 2022. It is dated the 21st of February 2022, but it was filed on the 20th of May 2022. Visit.
Oh, one on the
20th of May, my lord. So we seek to withdraw the earlier further affidavit filed on the 22nd of February 2022, and we seek to rely on the further affidavit filed on the 20th May 2022, my lord.
the further affidavit, I've not found it. I have the counter affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Take it one.
All right. Okay.
Thank you, my lord.
Are you objecting?
Yeah, my lord, I just wanted to point out that learned counsel for the claimant is combining two things together, I believe erroneously.
No,
If she has an application to withdraw any process, I have no objection.
Right.
But I do object to her application to rely on the subsequent process that was filed out of time and for which the needful has not been done. So, my lord, I'm not objecting to her withdrawing the earlier process, but she cannot rely on the subsequent one unless she regularizes the subsequent one, which has been filed out of time.
Counsel.
My lord.
Yes.
A response to what the learned tipper said, the previous processes were brought within time. The earlier counter affidavit, which we
I asked you wanted to substitute it. You said no.
Sorry, my lord.
I asked you wanted to substitute.
Okay.
You said no.
So what?
I said if I wanted to substitute.
Yes, tell her I want to substitute.
Okay, my lord.
What's the problem with that? Your motion to regularize, you know.
Okay. Thank you.
What's your motion to regularize?
Thank you very much.
Yeah. She said you want to substitute.
So I think I'm better off counsel. Bring your motion to regularize before you withdraw.
Very well, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, my noble lord.
I think
my lord, I'm not yet a chief, my lord. I'm
before the withdrawal.
I thank my lord for the elevation, but I'm Mr. Adeborua, sir.
Okay, Adeborua. All right. Adeborua.
Yes, my noble, I'm very grateful.
My pronunciation. I just call you Let silk. That was for now.
Yes, my noble lord.
Now I said they're better off being a motion to regularize the process before they for the court. All right.
Yes, my lord, if they intend to bring the motion to regularize, I have no objection.
All right, great. We shall do the needful of next.
We do not object for them to take their time to bring an application to regularize.
Go through it very well. All right. It's a Lupito. Is it Lupito? Is your name Benita?
No.
Idigbe. Sorry. All right. Okay. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
So you're bringing a motion to regularize before next agenda date?
Yes, my lord.
All right. What date?
We may suggest for your lordship's kind consideration 19th or 21st of July.
That's the ratio. I into vacation time. We can try.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We can take a chance.
But if we can take 19, which is earlier.
19th July?
Yes, my noble lord.
What time, gentlemen?
My lord, we would prefer to come and meet my lord if my lord doesn't mind.
In open court?
The claimants counsel are in Abuja. We will come physical for open court if your lordship permits us.
Permit you. You're very welcome.
I'm much obliged.
You're not enjoying the technology, eh?
When I see my lord taking those tea on the bench that day, I was very impressed. So I wanted to come back and share that experience.
All right. 19th July 2020. What time is center? 9 o'clock for hearing. Yes, so 9 a.m.
Yes, my noble lords.
Case is adjourned to 19th of July 2022 at 9 a.m. for hearing.
As my lord pleases. I thank my noble lord, sir.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you all.
My lord, I believe it's the same position in the second case, my noble lord.
Is it same parties?
Yes, my lord, same party, same circumstances.
All right, same date will apply.
I'm much obliged, my lord.
This one will now be by 10 o'clock.
I'm very much obliged, my lord.
Thank you.
I'm very grateful to my lord, sir. Registrar, may we now exit this platform? The cases haven't been adjourned. Registrar? The registrar, I beg your leave to exit this platform now. The cases have been adjourned. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.